Question number 8. Still reviewer for Code C or heavy commercial vehicles. The question goes like this. Under Republic Act 10930, what is the common traffic violations that a driver may commit for him to renew and avail of a 10-year driver's license? So letter A, 0 traffic violations. Letter B, 1 to 3 traffic violations. Letter C, 4 to 6 traffic violations. And letter D, 7 to 10 traffic violations. Shoutout na po pala sa ating bagong subscriber, si Alex Santiago Akad. Thank you! The correct answer is letter A, 0. Wala. No traffic violations. Kasi po, kapag tayo ay nag-incur ng even 1 demerit point, hindi na po tayo eligible para sa 10-year validity. 5 years na lang po ang ibibigay sa atin ng system kahit na po pinaka-minimum na violation ang nakalagay sa inyong apprehension history. Ang Republic Act 10930 po kasi, ito yung nag-a-address sa renewal ng lisensya, validity niya, pati yung mga penalties na nakaakibat kapag tayo ay nagkakaroon ng violation sa mga traffic rules